When working with watercolors, we often encounter the same old challenge. I'm talking about painting very intricate details like leaf veins, bird feathers, or tiny highlights. Unlike other mediums where we can use lighter color on top of the dark color, watercolors require an entirely different approach. And this is why I created this class, so together we can explore and practice what I think is the most essential watercolor technique that will help you instantly elevate your work. I'm talking, of course, about negative painting, or painting around and in between various objects, revealing the shapes and intricate details with each brushstroke. Welcome to the class. My name is Bucciarelli. I'm a professional illustrator, designer of Canadian money, and I'm passionate about sharing my love for watercolors and all the wonderful techniques that make this medium so special. Negative painting technique is one of the most requested subjects on my social media channels and on my Patreon, and it's no wonder. If you haven't tried it yet, I promise you it will open up an entire world of possibilities, allowing you to paint new things that may have seemed very difficult before. We will start by learning the fundamentals of this technique, and I will show you 3 different scenarios where negative painting will help you really elevate your work, creating intricate details, highlights, and this is always super useful, watercolor backgrounds. For our class project, we will practice and master 2 of these scenarios by painting this tropical plant with very intricate veins and a tiny ladybug on one of the stems, all using negative painting technique. As a bonus, I will share all my tips and tricks for mixing and working with green pigments. So even if you have a very limited supply of pigments like green, yellow, red, and blue, I'll show you how to mix these basic colors to achieve realistic, natural look that we all need for painting greenery and landscapes. Other useful techniques we will cover include painting stamps and glazing shadows. So the project in our class is particularly tailored for those who love botanical art, but any beginner or intermediate watercolor artist would benefit from understanding negative painting technique and related materials because it can easily be applied to any subject and will really expand your skill set. All supplies, reference materials, and outline are saved in the resources section of this class. And by the way, you can get 1 month of free access to SkillShare classes. So this watercolor class, all my other gouache and watercolor classes, and thousands of other classes from creators around the world, all you have to do is use the link in the video description below to access SkillShare and you will be on your way. I hope you're excited to learn and practice this negative painting technique with me. So join me in class and let's build some new watercolor skills.